Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my demo for CPIT-490. My name is Badr Riyas Al-Ghamdi and I'll be showcasing this demo. In this video, I will briefly uh, demo my deployment of the bakery API server that was created by Dr. Khalid. I followed the steps and the video demo that Dr. Khalid provided for us. This is the dream bakery of Dr. Khalid, and we have some commands and some lists that we can view. Firstly, I created a gateway, a load balancing gateway, and as you can see, we have three backends that are healthy. You can consider the load balancing uh, as an intelligent way or a smart way to route uh, the required uh, traffic. As you can see, I have three VMs or virtual machines. All of them are provided with the Git clone of the API web server. As you can see here, I hope I can show it clearly. Each step had a git clone and then a sudo to ensure that it can listen to it and then run it on in the background. You can see here when I curled, you can see it's healthy. I did this step for all of three VMs to guarantee that each one works, as it can use the commands here, the health, the SA menu, US menu, and the fatal. This will kill the server. But let me test it out. Just as you can see, I have it here on the website. I can post what I need to test using the URL, or we can use Postman. In Postman, let's say we can use the US menu, and then we send it, and we can get a result of the menu. We can also do this and just apply it here. You can see it has some changes from the SA menu. If we inspect it, just to make sure, we can inspect and go to the network. Let's refresh and then press the menu. You can see that it's coming from host bakery US backend. If we change it to SA, and then you can see it is coming from the bakery SA backend. So the gateway or the load balancer is working and it's managing the traffic correctly. It's posting it to the correct virtual machines, and they are applying what they have from the web server created here. As we can see, this showcase and this demo shows the implementation and deployment of all necessary steps, from the load balancer to the subnet backend pools. We can see here at the health, it's healthy, and the host is the backend VM. You can see it here as well in the inspect menu. It is coming from the bakery backend VM, which is this one. So the three VMs work perfectly, and the gateway is healthy and works perfectly as well. In the report, I will be talking more and in detail about the chosen application, which is the web server, and the cloud platform, which is Azure, and deployment processes, consideration for scalability, availability, and elasticity. All of these will be in the report, inshallah. One last thing that I can't really show because I have already deleted the work for the servers, but with the fatal command, this command kills the server process, but we don't want the process to just be killed and be disabled. We want another VM to be created in its place. That can be done by an automation account, an Azure automation account. We can place or create a run book that uses PowerShell script to create a VM when the VM is destroyed. We attach it, or we uh, couple it with an alert. You can set this up using the Azure Monitor alerts, and in there you can choose your VM, choose the power state, or the state that the VM is in. So it will give you an alert when it's stopped or destroyed or anything like that. And then you can call upon the run book that has the PowerShell script on it. So when it's destroyed, it will call upon the alerts. It will alert the system that the VM has been destroyed, and then run the PowerShell script in the run book created by the automation account. I hope this suffice, and I will talk about it in the report.